Here is the Nissan Versa. In order to get to the bulb, we have to open up the trunk. So let's go ahead, pop the trunk open, and now we need to peel back this fabric layer. For that, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Put it right over there and pull the middle part of the clip out, and then get the clip out. Repeat the process for that other clip, and now you can comfortably pull back the fabric layer. That's the bulb holder for the inner taillight bulb. Just grab it and twist it left, loosen it just a little bit, and now you can get it right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply push it back in. And when you put the light back into the bulb holder, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in, just like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and you are done. When you put the clip back in, the middle part of the clip should be pulled out as much as possible, and you may have to do what I'm doing to get the middle part out. Without it, the clip won't go back in place. See, once it's out like this, just put the clip through those holes, and once it's in place, just push the middle part in to secure it, and then repeat this same process for the other one. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motorzing for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.